we want to just commence. Should they take your picture, they will make you disappear. She is currently the legal counsel at the...
Our goal is to make financial management as seamless as possible, allowing you focus on what truly matters, your mission. I can't forget to remind you that in a very recent CBK report, Cooperative Bank remains one of the most competitive lenders among Tier 1 banks in this country.
With the new law, we have brought other charitable organizations such as the Company Limited by Guarantees, trusts, societies, CBOs, which are all, as we know them, registered by different entities, different legal regimes.